Designed with exceptional cooks and avid entertainers in mind, Radiance Collection Dishwashers from Thermador perform silently, clean powerfully, and dry completely. The Radiance Collection is available in 3 models: Emerald, Sapphire, and Star Sapphire, offering elevated dish care options for every lifestyle. Each model can be personalized with a choice of handles from the bold Professional Collection or the sleek Masterpiece Collection. And every Radiance Collection dishwasher is finished to complete your design aesthetic in either handcrafted stainless steel or custom panel ready for a seamless, integrated look. No need to let the dishes pile up. With capacity for as many as 16 place settings, Radiance Dish Care makes everything sparkle at once. The folding glass care rack is an entertainer's dream, allowing you to securely clean up to 18 wine glasses at once. It's simple to quickly accommodate larger pots and cookware with adjustable racks and flexible folding tines for cleaning that matches your needs in every moment. Every Radiance Collection dishwasher has a 3rd upper specialty drawer, perfect for utensils, kitchen tools, and other dinner party must-haves. Enjoy the after-dinner conversation with virtually silent performance across the entire Radiance Collection. Experience a never-before level of clean with the Zone Control Spray Arm. Customize up to 4 cleaning zones in the lower rack to clean the most challenging pieces or delicate glassware. Experience drying that reaches every crevice, even on plastics, with Star Dry with Zeolite, our most advanced drying solution. Zeolite is a natural substance that dries without chemicals and never needs replenishing. It makes every item ready for immediate use as soon as you remove it. Impress your guests with spotless glassware thanks to Crystal Protect, which neutralizes water hardness to eliminate spots for an immaculate pour. Always know how much time is left at a glance with the Time Remaining Power Beam, a feature that projects a vivid, real-time countdown on the floor below. Set the mood with the multicolor Star Glow and Sapphire Glow, illuminating your dishwasher with brilliant colored light when opened. Controlling your Radiance Collection dishwasher is simple and intuitive, with premium touch controls on every model. Or easily control your dishwasher with the seamless Thermador connected experience, powered by Home Connect. Start and monitor your next cycle from anywhere. Keep track of remaining dish tabs and more, all from your favorite smart devices. For effortless cleaning and drying power in the kitchen and beyond. Radiance Collection dishwashers from Thermador deliver exceptional results for every occasion.